There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2018 Dodge Challenger SXT in Destroyer Gray. With automatic projector headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, satin black rear spoiler, dual bright exhaust tips, power 6-way driver's seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 37,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, sport mode, 60/40 split rear folding seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 4004A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.